Hi guys! In today's video, you will learn how to make images smaller without losing its quality in Photoshop. So now go ahead and select the image you will going to use. And then on the upper left corner, select Image. From Image, tap Adjustment and then select Image Size. And then you will see at the bottom, Bicubic Automatic. You will then change it to Bicubic Sharper. You want to change it to Bicubic Sharper because it's best for reduction. You can now select Constrain Proportions so that it will not be distorted. Then select the size the image you want to be. But remember, you want to reduce the pixels in half. For example, from 1000 pixels, reduce it to 500 because there is a better quality when you do that. Then click OK. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe.